Welcome back. Money Magnet here, helping you make money online. In this video, we'll be sharing tips on how to sell digital products on Etsy for passive income. Tip 1. Choose a profitable digital product. The first step to selling digital products on Etsy is to choose a profitable product. Examples of digital products include printables, templates, ebooks, and digital art. Tip 2. Optimize your product listing. Your product listing is your opportunity to convince potential customers to buy your product. Optimize your listing by using high-quality images, writing clear descriptions, and including relevant keywords. Tip 3. Offer multiple products and bundles. Offering multiple products and product bundles can increase your chances of making a sale. Consider creating product bundles that offer a discount when multiple products are purchased. Tip 4. Promote your products on social media. Promoting your products on social media can help drive traffic to your Etsy store. Use platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your products and drive traffic to your store. Tip 5. Use automation tools to streamline your business. Using automation tools like Etsy's digital download feature and email marketing can help streamline your business and save you time. And there you have it. By following these tips, you can sell digital products on Etsy for passive income. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online.